Welcome to Fixit Dubai, where style meets smart design. If you're planning to renovate your kitchen in 2025, whether you're on a budget or ready for a luxury makeover, this video is your ultimate guide. Today, we're sharing the most trending kitchen renovation ideas that balance beauty, functionality, and affordability. From clever space-saving layouts to premium finishes, you'll discover ideas that elevate your kitchen no matter your budget. Section 1. Open layouts and smart zoning. Open concept kitchens remain a favorite in 2025, but with a twist: smart zoning. Instead of merging everything together, designers are now creating distinct zones for cooking, prepping, and entertaining, even within an open space. This keeps your kitchen organized and efficient. Budget-friendly tip: use rugs, lighting, or open shelving to subtly separate areas without the cost of new walls or cabinets. Section 2. Bold backsplash ideas. The backsplash is no longer just a functional feature, it's now a statement piece. In 2025, expect to see bold choices like Moroccan tiles, matte black slabs, and even terrazzo textures. For a luxurious look, consider full slab marble backsplashes. On a budget, peel and stick backsplash tiles offer stunning results without professional installation, making it easier to refresh your kitchen style affordably. Section 3. Cabinet makeovers. Cabinets take up the most visual space, so refreshing them makes a big impact. In luxury renovations, designers are favoring handle-less flat front cabinets in warm wood tones, matte finishes, or two-tone combinations. For budget remodels, painting your cabinets in trending colors like sage green, navy, or creamy beige can completely transform your kitchen's vibe. Swapping out old hardware with sleek new knobs or pulls adds an instant update for minimal cost. Section 4. Innovative countertop options. Countertops in 2025 are all about combining durability with visual appeal. Quartz continues to dominate luxury designs, especially with waterfall edges and marble-like veining. But if you're renovating on a budget, don't worry, laminate countertops now come in ultra-realistic finishes that mimic marble, concrete, and granite. Plus, recycled materials like composite stone are not only affordable but also eco-friendly. Section 5. Lighting layers for ambience. Lighting is one of the most transformative features in a kitchen renovation. In 2025, layered lighting is key. Combine ambient ceiling lights, task lighting under cabinets, and decorative pendant lights over islands. Gold and matte black fixtures are trending for a high-end touch. On a budget, replace outdated fixtures with affordable modern styles and use LED strips under cabinets to elevate the space with minimal spend. Section 6. Flooring that stands out. Your kitchen floor deserves just as much attention as your walls and cabinets. Luxury remodels feature wide plank hardwood, oversized tiles, or patterned porcelain floors. For a modern rustic feel, herringbone vinyl flooring is gaining popularity. If you're budget conscious, opt for vinyl planks or peel and stick tiles. They're cost-effective, waterproof, and come in a range of beautiful textures that look high-end. Section 7. Add smart storage solutions. Clutter-free kitchens are in, and smart storage is the solution. Add pull-out pantry shelves, corner cabinet carousels, and drawer organizers. Luxury kitchens are also integrating appliance garages, built-in cabinets that hide small appliances. But if you're on a budget, even simple baskets, risers, and drawer dividers can make your space feel cleaner and more intentional without remodeling the entire kitchen. Whether you're dreaming of a high-end kitchen or updating your space with cost-effective choices, 2025 is full of exciting trends that mix functionality with stunning style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a design update. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next makeover.